That is a fatty. That is a fatty. Oh, he's way down in there.
Not at all. Alright, let's see how long. Get a picture of her. What do I need to hit?
I'll just let it run. It's going.
Oh, we on video. Lake Toho special.
What do you guess him at?
We're gonna put him on a scale here in a minute, see how long he is. What do you think?
He's got to be 5 pounds, right?
Got to be 5 pounds, he says. Nah, he's probably 7.
Is he?
7.5, 8. All right, here, hold that. Let's see how keep it running.
Got him.
See how long. Okay. Oh, Salamia, Mama Mia. How you doing this morning, Mr. Bass? Yes, ma'am. Let's put her on the golden. Let's make sure you get the golden grip, the golden roller. That's big 10-4. Oh, right at about 21 3/4 inches. Oh, I love kissing them bad boys. Love kissing
big
them
old
bad
bucket
boys.
bass.
Tastes a little fishy. That's all right. Let's put her. What's a healthy fish too, man? How about 8-1?
Oh, 8 pound. That's
8
my
pound
lifetime best.
Toho special, baby.
Beautiful.
Now, you want to get a picture of her? Or you
I don't know. Just
got
as
her on
the
that?
other
Okay.
side. That's beautiful.
Go ahead and let her go, man. Here.
Thanks, guy.
Put your thumb in there. Put her down there gently in the water. There you go. She'll go right in a minute. Okay, go ahead and let her go. She'll go. There she goes. There she goes. She's in the water, and there she goes. Nice.
All right. There you go. Tom, give me the face of incredible jealousy.